Hello traders. So today in this video I'm going to show you how I enter the 5 minutes candlestick chart using support and resistance. So I think I see one signal here, so I'm just going to draw the resistance level over here and wait up. It has reached the level, so now I'm going to go at 5 minutes. I'm going to enter a sell trade. I'm pretty sure that this trade is going to win, so let's just watch how this trade goes. Yep, I think I've drawn the line correctly, because yeah, I'm pretty sure that this trade is going to win. Let's just wait for the candle to finish. Okay, okay, let us see if there's any other opportunity over here. As you guys can see, the Xmas starts now, so all the candles, all the particular pairs are in 94% profit. So let's see how this trade goes. And so yeah, let's see. Okay, as you guys can see, this trade is going to win, and I'm gonna get the profit of $9.40. So let's just wait for 5 more seconds, and this trade is gonna win. And yeah, I've won the trade. Now let's put in my profit too. Now okay, and now I'm gonna enter $19.40. Let's just look for other opportunities over here or other pairs. Okay, I think I found a resistance level, but it has to hit upper level. So let's move on to other pairs. No, this pair doesn't have any signal. Yeah, okay, this pair. Well, I think I see I think no, I think it won't work. So now let's go to other pairs. Yeah, that level is a support level, but is, is it a good one? Yeah, it's a good support level. So let's just wait. If it hits, we can might be entering a buy trade. Mm, okay, if it hits, we can enter a buy trade, but it has to hit the most safer place to enter area to enter a buy trade. Okay, let's just wait for the candlestick to hit that level. Okay, or JPY, AUD JPY, no, AUD USD. Okay, let's just wait for the candlestick to hit that level. Let's look at GBP New Zealand now. Well, I think there might be a sub resistance level over there. This then we might be, you know, we can't enter because the time only 1 minute remains now, so we can't be entering a trade now. It will be too late. Okay, let's just wait and watch how the market behaves. Okay, let's just wait. Euro GBP. Yep, I think yeah, I think I see a this support level. Yeah, it's quite a strong level. Nope, but we can't enter. Nice. Let's just wait for the candle to finish and we'll enter the next candle. We have, yeah, let's just wait. Let's reach the level, but we can't be entering now. We have to wait for the next candle. So let's just wait. Let's look for other pairs now. Cat CHF. Cat CHF might have a trade. Yep, that's a sub resistance level over there. So we can draw a resistance level over here, which is quite strong because it hasn't been broken. Okay. Yeah, I think we might be able to enter two trades at the same time. So let's just wait. I think I'm gonna uh, look for the best two trades to enter. This one, I'm quite sure I can enter this. So I'm gonna enter trade here. Once the candle finish closes, and here I'm gonna enter GBP New Zealand and also Euro GBP. Okay, I've entered here right after the candle closed. Okay, and I'm gonna enter at GBP New Zealand as well. Okay, I've entered two trades so far. I've entered a trade at GBP New Zealand and also Euro GBP. Let's double the best to see it. Okay, looks like trade's going up, going in opposite direction on both of it. But never mind, let us just wait and see what's the final outcome. Okay, now so let's just wait. Okay, I think I'm gonna enter another trade as sell in GBP New Zealand and buy at Euro GBP because it's going too high and I know it won't go any higher than this, so I'm just gonna put another trade on both the pairs, and I know this trade won't go higher than my second trade, and even if it stays in the middle, I don't lose that much. So now let's just wait and see. Okay, it looks like Euro GBP is going for the win, whereas GBP New Zealand is, I'm pretty sure I'm gonna win both the pairs, both GBP New Zealand and Euro GBP. So now let's just wait and see. If I win Euro GBP, I'm gonna get a profit of $33.37. And currently GBP New Zealand, I just only lose $1.40. So still I'm in the profit. of I'm still in the profit of 30 over dollars. Hmm. So let's just wait and see how GBP New Zealand reacts. Whoa! I think I'm gonna win. Okay, close. Yes, I have won GBP New Zealand too. So I am in a profit of $17.20 at GBP New Zealand. Now I'm gonna enter $37 at Euro GBP as buy. The reason for that is because we can see a resistance level and what we can see a support level over there, and it's hitting that level again, and I'm pretty sure it can't break the level as it has a long long wick at the bottom of the previous candle. So this candle has to go up. So now let's just wait and watch how it reacts, how it goes. Okay. Okay, looks like I'm gonna win this trade with a big win, as you guys can see, and I have won the trade. I have won $32.37. Now I'm going to enter $10 again, back to 10. Okay, so now let's just see if there's any other opportunities that we can enter. No, that isn't any. um no, let's just wait for another opportunity. Okay, I think there aren't any other signals that I can enter because currently I have gotten my 4 wins that I expected. So I just wanted to get 2 wins, but I've gotten my 4 wins. So I think that's all, guys. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you guys have understand something today. My account has grown to 212 from 120. So thank you guys for watching, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button, and don't forget to smash the like button. Thank you guys. Goodbye.